So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you after update iOS 17 you can see appears on screen assistive touch not on my iPhone right now. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's running on iOS 17. As you can see, software update you can see appears on screen. It's updated on the latest iOS 17 update that Apple released. You can see, okay, you can see appears on screen. There is no assistive touch right now on my iPhone. So how to enable assistive touch on iPhone? Firstly, you need to open iPhone setting. Okay, in setting you need to scroll down and tap on accessibility. You can see appears on screen. Okay, now you can see appears on screen showing here touch option. Tap on touch. Okay, in the top you can see appears on screen assistive touch. Tap on assistive touch. Okay, turn on assistive touch. You can see appears on screen. It's turn off, turn it on. That's it. So friends, after watching this video I hope you will all know how to enable assistive touch on iPhone iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.